can smell barbecue from here. A lot of people barbecuing. Very vibrant. Hey, morning everyone. And now at ABC. Beautiful Saturday morning. Hope to install the Watersnake for a friend. And later I will have a chance to show you. So I got everything here. All the barang-barang. Yeah. Friends evaluating what to do with the drive. Okay, see you later. Okay, so we are putting up the bracket, super secure, using a 28mm pipe bracket, and we'll put one more here as well. Just right behind the seats. Installing the handle, one handle, additional handle for carry. This is a transom mount, very solidly and solidly mounted in this manner. Two screws here. Even without this supporting bracket, it works very well. And another bracket here using the pipe mount. Remember to take the 28mm. The pipe is 30mm, 28mm diameter, so that it clamps a lot more tightly. Super tight. The pipe is 90cm. Alright, so now what we just put on the motor. Clamp it on. Beautiful. Beautifully steady. Alright, so there's two ways to handle the motor when you're in shallow water. Either you press this and you tilt. Press this and you tilt up all the way when you're in shallow water. Or the other way, whichever is more convenient for you lah. You put all the way down, or you use this button to go up and down. Whichever you prefer. Whichever you prefer. But optimally, the motor must be below the hull lah. Because otherwise when you're turning left and right, the propeller can hit the side of the so optimally it should be just below, but not too long. Like those motor that is 36 inch, you won't have optimal power to run the kayak. Okay, this screw, because some people prefer to fix the motor in one position, it doesn't move, then they use a hand rudder. They just use your usual hand rudder to move. Okay? But the hand rudder, to be honest, unless you have a big rudder like this one below, the rudder is not as good for turning. This one can turn in a very tight radius. So this one we put it loose, but not too loose until the screw drop out. So you can move. Then you want to adjust up and down, you use this screw, but be careful. Again, this screw don't loosen until too much until you drop inside water, which happened to me. Okay. Okay, yours the bracket is far enough. If not far enough, the propeller can hit the hull. You see, you know what I mean? So the propeller have to be below the hull of the.
I think you have to take some marking.
Then higher and lower. If you want, you can put all the way down lah. This one you can put all the way down also can. 24 inch is okay lah. You try? Like that lah.
Okay, see where's the marking.
So if you put very high, then your hand is very high also. You know what I mean? The handle is very high also.
This kind okay lah. But then I find keep on loaded there. Take up how both how. Okay lah, this is fine lah.
Very nice. Alright, so this handle, this original handle is very short, only 6 inch. So you get a pipe that is 32mm diameter and 50cm long. Slot it in. Slot it in. Then do a bungee cord. Okay, so it's an extended handle. Okay, so the operation, this is center is neutral. This is forward, this is neutral, this is backward. Okay, when we are kanchiong, don't straight away go and switch until from forward all the way to backward. Switch to center. Then after you forward already, then you can go to, as a kayak pickup speed, then usually I will switch to number 2, and then when it slow down, you just switch to number 1 lah. Just like driving lah, up gear and down gear. Okay, let's connect the battery. Okay. The other one reverse. Okay. And so we are going to go for sea trial in a while. Very windy. Let's try out. There's already a few kakis out there already. Okay, sea trial. Okay, so you bring your motor up first, so that when you remove the wheels trolley, you will not hit the sand. Okay. Okay, good.
Lucky the guy didn't swing the feather, all the hard to
Oh, pretty fast. Okay. Gone. Sea trial number 2. Against the strong wind. Alright, back. Wow, very nice, man. Bang. Wow, big one. Oh, wow. Champion. Wow. Oh, wow. This is 成條頭. Oh, wow. Good size, man. Bigger than market. Okay, the sea trial is over. I think it's a success. This is the mounted motor with the custom handle. You can also tilt it up like that if you want, if you prefer. And then just put the battery behind. Alright.